Right, I don't really want to be a spoil sport, so I guess thanks to Lee Lewis for nominating me for this bucket challenge. Despite what everyone says about you, Lee, I think you're okay. Secondly, all charities obviously need good donations, but the one charity I think seems to be missing out is the one I'm going to donate to. So I'll be donating my money to WaterAid. Thirdly, my nominations: in Scotland, Sean Moore Heron; in the Garden of England, my brother-in-law, Wayne Fernandez; in Switzerland, my longest and dearest friend, Kenny Haggy Baby Haggerty; and then all the way in the Republic of Transvaal, Vali Juster. You guys have got 48 hours to do your challenges. There goes. Don't forget, guys, you got 48 hours. Closer.